how to remove decimals in Excel. So if you want to remove decimals in your Excel, then first you just need to simply open up your Excel. Once you open up your Excel, now here you will have the amount and here you will have the remove decimals, right? So if you want to remove the decimals, if you want to only keep the 43 and remove all of the decimals, then what you need to do is you just need to simply enter a formula or a command, which is simply enter equals to and TRUNC and then enter a bracket. And here in my case, I have the A2. Like if you have 4 or 5, then you can simply enter A4 or A5. So I'll be entering A2 and then comma and the number of digits. Like after the number, like how many decimals that you need, 1, 2, 3, you just need to simply enter that. So in my case, I don't want any of the decimals, so I'll be entering 0 and you need to hit the enter, and here you can see that you have this 43 only and you don't have any more decimals. So now you just need to simply copy this and then you can paste all of that, and here you can see that you don't have any decimals right here. So in this way you'll be able to remove all the decimals. But if you want 1 or 2 decimal, then you can again go with that. So here you need to enter equals to TRUNC and then bracket A2 comma and for example I'll be entering 2 and then hit the enter, and here you can see that you will have 2 decimals. So that's it. That's how you can remove the decimals in Excel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.